Hey everyone, it's Alison here from Checkerboard Strategic Web Development once again for our Pahl's Market CSA unboxing video. I think it's week 4 now. Time is going way too fast if you ask me. So this week looks like some real nice, okay. Sorry, I'm just, making notes to myself. So it looks like we got kind of a combination of peas and green beans, which is a ton of fun. That's a nice set of them here. A big old head of red cabbage. This is gigantic. Someone around here is going to be making coleslaw or something. Holy moly. That's probably as big as my head. Okay. That was heavy. Okay, we got a couple tomatoes in here this week. Looking nice. And then, the big fun thing everybody's making kind of a thing about. This is brand new this year is fennel. Fennel's really good. If you haven't used it, you can put it in kind of like some more sauteed dishes and salads and that kind of stuff. Let's see. I think you can roast it too, actually. A lot of corn. Oh my gosh. And I had the corn the other day. We went over to Pahl's and picked up some corn for dinner. And it's like, the first ones were kind of small, but they were so sweet. So good. So if you haven't gotten any yet, go pick them up and go right through the corn drive-thru. It looks like we got some nice radishes, which you could just like clean up and eat right in the office here. Those look really nice. And then the last thing we've got, now the question is this parsley or cilantro? And does it have a tag? No, so we're gonna smell it. It's definitely parsley. So that'll be really nice in a pasta or something there, or as a garnish. Everything's looking really nice this week. So excited to show you once again what we're getting at in the Pahl standard size share. If you missed out this year, you'll have to watch for next year to get in on this. And so now it's time to divvy it up amongst the employees here. We'll see you next week.